Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the another video of CS with Alam. In this video, we are going to solve the JavaScript exercise. So let's start it quickly. So we are going to do the chapter 70 JavaScript exercise. So question number one, delete a property. So I write delete agent 00 dot retirement plan or check an answer. The answer is correct. Change the value of property, make it a number. Okay, so we will use the previous object we use कर लेते हैं agent 00 और लिख लेते हैं kill rank spelling mistake kill rank 1 equal check our answer. An answer is correct. Next question number 3, assign two strings to property that's an array. Okay, यही उठा लेते हैं. Sorry, agent 007 dot friends उठा लेते हैं यहाँ से friends equal to क्या करना है, दो स्ट्रिंग देना है प्रॉपर्टी को. सो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स में दो स्ट्रिंग दे देंगे. फर्स्ट दे देंगे cat, सेकंड दे देंगे कॉमा के साथ बनी एंड डॉट को कॉमा से चेक करेंगे एंड एट लास्ट सेमीकोलन लगा देंगे एंड चेक कर आंसर. आंसर इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्रिएट एन ऑब्जेक्ट विद नो प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, बना लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल where plan1 equal no object. Answer is correct. Next question, drag and drop define an object species 99 that has two properties. The first property is species, the second property is yet to be defined. Okay जी, कर लेते हैं. वेरिएबल स्पीशीज उठा लेते हैं. where species equal brackets curly braces start and first one is species. The first property is species. So species, I will drop here the line in string में लगा दिया and comma. Second is undefined, so we will write average weight. We will put here undefined and semicolon. No, sorry, curly braces close and semicolon. So let's check our code against the correct code. So as you can see, we have written the correct code and I will hit the I got it right button. Now check to see if the object agent 007 has a property named assistant. Assign the result to the variable has help which hasn't been declared beforehand. Sure, you can read it. So first we have to declare a variable where has help equal to quotations assistant quotation close in agent 007 semicolon and our answer is correct. Next question, create a property time limit of the object offered. The property is yet to be defined. Okay, offer dot time limit time L capital time limit y sorry time L capital time limit अभी ठीक हो गया equal undefined semicolon and our answer is correct. Next question, assign a value represented by a variable to property. वही कर लेते हैं जो भी उठाया था offer dot time limit और किसको असाइन करते एक वैल्यू फॉर एग्जांपल max allowed semicolon and check an answer. Answer is correct. Next question, check two new properties for the same object. The first property is a number, the second property is a boolean. Okay, offer dot time limit को यूज कर रहे हैं time limit equal 30. And second is second property should be a boolean. Okay, सेम यही कॉपी कर लेते हैं ऑफर और प्रॉपर्टी लगाते हैं लाइक कॉन्फिडेंशियल कॉन्फिडेंशियल एंड दे देंगे इसको ट्रू true semicolon. Check our answer. The answer is not correct. Comma may mistake. We write comma. No worries. Next question. Assign a property of one object to the same property of another object. Okay. I will write like deal2 dot price. deal2 का जो price है वो deal1 का price कर deal1 का price देंगे. deal1 dot price and semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question, question number 11. Quote the first line of an if statement that tests whether the object product has the property qty. If condition code qty in product and semicolon. Check our answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Quote the first line of an if statement that tests whether there is a 10th element in a property that is an array. Don't do it by testing for length of array. Okay. Like we write if condition if product dot colors. We use like the product dot colors. Which one? 10th element. So I will write here the 9th index and starting body and check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Delete a property in 25 seconds. Sure. Same as we write the first. Okay, the timer is started. Delete agent 007 dot retirement plan. Semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Change the value of property, make it a number. अभी किया था दोबारा से कर लेते हैं like agent 007 dot kill rank. किल रैंक का किया था हमने तो किल रैंक में डाला था हमने 1 तो यहाँ पर भी लिख देते हैं 1 semicolon. Check our answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Assign two strings to a property that's an array. Okay, ये भी किया था agent 007 या agent भी लिख सकते हैं dot friends equal brackets first cat सी लिख लेते हैं हमने कुछ और है नहीं cat and बनी हमने लिखा था सो बनी दोबारा से लिख लेते हैं semicolon and check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Create an object with no properties. Okay, हमने बनाया था var plan 1 equal semicolon and check our answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Create two new properties for the same object. The first property is number, the second is boolean. अभी जो किया था वही कर लेते हैं ऑफर वाला ऑफर डॉट टाइम लिमिट दे देते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल नंबर 30 एंड ऑफर डॉट कॉन्फिडेंशियल था confidential and its value is true. Semicolon. Check our answer. Our answer is correct. Next question. Assign a property of one object to the same property of another. So I will write deal2 dot price equal deal1 dot price deal1 dot price semicolon. Check our answer. Answer is correct. Next question. Change the name to Slinky, then display the name in alert. Don't change of my code. Don't copy paste answer. It may not work. Okay, no worries. You'll write here product B dot name, that is Slinky semicolon, and alert. Alert what? Product B dot name, semicolon, and run it. Congratulations. B is smart. We will capitalize it. Capital B. Now run it. Yes, it's working. So I will hit I got it right. Next question. In a single statement, display an alert that shows the value you get if you ask whether the object phantom has a property called substance. Don't change of my code, don't copy paste. The answer it may not work. Okay. Show. We will alert. We will write an alert. 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 Substance. Substance in phantom. Substance in phantom. So run it. Yes, it's working. Like it says it's false, but I will hit I got it right. Okay, the last question. Create two new properties for the same object. Okay, it's come back to the question number 9. So we'll solve it. पहले जैसे कि था वही दोबारा से कर लेते हैं. Offer time dot time limit 30. सेकेंड वाज ऑफर डॉट, यहाँ पे हमने कॉमा लिखा था इसलिए गलत हो गया था. कॉन्फिडेंशियल वाज ट्रू. बूलियन वैल्यू भी आ गई एंड नंबर वैल्यू भी आ गई. चेक और आंसर इज करेक्ट एंड our exercise is finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video.